Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about indicator diagram. Today we'll discuss VT diagram. So to plot VT diagram, we'll draw volume along y-axis and temperature along x-axis. And VT diagram for different process is will show. One is isothermal graph where it is a straight line where volume changes V1, V2 and the temperature is T. Okay, just let us consider here AP. So next graph, let me draw adiabatic graph where volume along y-axis and temperature along x-axis, where it is a T, A, B, V1, V2. Temperature variation T1, T2. Now the third one is isobaric process. We'll draw graph along x-axis and y-axis where this is isobaric process. For isobaric process, pressure is constant, so it is having a new scale of temperature which is called absolute temperature, that is T1, T2, and the volume also varies because the pressure is constant, V1, V2. So say B. Okay. Similarly, fourth graph is isochoric graph where it is a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. Here, for isochoric process, the system volume is always constant, where volume remains constant, so temperature varies. Here T1, T2, A, B. Here this VT diagram enables to find the temperature for the corresponding volume which is undergoing thermodynamic process. Okay. Now next section we'll discuss the third diagram, pressure temperature diagram. To plot this PT diagram, the pressure is along y-axis and temperature is along x-axis. So first we'll discuss isothermal. For the isothermal graph, it is a straight line which is parallel to y-axis. And now next one, adiabatic process. For the adiabatic process, the graph is adiabatic graph where the graph is decreasing like this. Now the third one is isobaric graph where it is a straight line A, B, where T1 temperature is varying. Okay, now the fourth graph is, one more is there. Okay, the fourth graph is isochoric graph, temperature T, pressure P, where it is a decreasing straight line that with varying temperature T1 and T2. For isochoric process, volume is constant. Volume remains constant. So here pressure also varies. P1, P2. Okay.